Hello, hello. May God bless you. May He prosper you this day. My name is Rick, and I am the cryptocurrency Watchman. Okay, we're going to take a look at 10 coins this morning. The bloodbath continues, as a lot of people put it, but I see huge potential in this. Remember, guys, when the market's down, I mean, this is the opportunity that we need to seize. I mean, look, we're only looking at, gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4 coins that are in the green right now. This is potential. This is potential. This is the time, especially for some of the long-term holds. This is the time to jump in because some of these are so low that you can't lose. They're going to go up. So let's take a look. Let's start with SIACOIN. Okay, you can see SIACOIN is dropping like crazy, but we've had some really good gains from this one in the past. So look at where we're at. Look at the low here. My goodness, you could have made, if you jump in here and just wait, I mean, I wouldn't even, you could have sold here and then, wait on the retracement. But if you bought in here and you haven't sold yet, sit on and wait, but go ahead and buy because SIACOIN's going to go back up. This is potential right here. Look at this. This is the time to buy. This is one of those coins that you buy and you sit on and you wait, and you're going to make money. SIACOIN is a little over a penny right now. I mean, you can't beat that. You drop $10 into this, you're going to make some good money. So definitely look at SIACOIN. Okay, next we're going to look at Stellar. Look at the drop on Stellar. Man, look at the opportunity here. It's at an all-time low, or at least as low as it's been from in the past month. This is the time to buy Stellar. I mean, look at this. Man. This is the time to buy. Stellar is way down, and Stellar is going to come back up. This is one of those coins that have done well, that have made people a lot of money in the past. And when the markets start turning green again, this is going to be one of those coins that are going to make you a lot of money. I mean, just dropping $10 into this one would be a money maker. Stellar's at a little over 2 cents. So again, just a small amount of money is going to make you a lot of money. When they turn green, this is one of those that's going to go up, guys. This is opportunity. That's how you got to see it. DIGIBYTE. Man, I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm stuck like Chuck in this one. But I got a pretty good chunk of change in this one. And this one's going to pay off big. DIGIBYTE made a huge mistake by handing out those, the DIGIBYTE tokens for $5, and everybody turned around and made, hundreds of dollars off of them. And it really put a dent in them. But DIGIBYTE's coming back. DIGIBYTE's not gone. Everybody's freaking out and selling like crazy right now. But DIGIBYTE's coming back. And so now's the time to buy DIGIBYTE. If you haven't bought it, if you're not in it, get in it. I mean, look at this. Look at how low they are. Oh my gosh. And look at these gains. So yeah, absolutely look at DIGIBYTE. DIGIBYTE's just under 2 cents right now. DIGIBYTE's probably going to a penny. You might want to sit and wait just a little bit before you buy. But I believe DIGIBYTE's going to a penny or somewhere around there. It was almost there yesterday. But DIGIBYTE's probably going to continue to drop maybe a little bit, but I wouldn't wait. If we know it's going up. If you want to wait, see if it goes down a little bit more, then by all means. But this is opportunity. Again, this is opportunity, guys. Okay, I put Dash in there this morning because Dash is one of the few that actually passed a buy sign this morning that is actually in the green. You can see the drops on Dash. So look at 2 week. See, huge drop. Dash is coming back. It's on its way back up. To be honest with you, I don't think that this is going to be a big push on Dash right at the moment. Looks like it's starting to retrace some. But so I would not buy yet. I would wait because, to be honest with you, I think it's going to pass the sell sign here sometime today. So you might want to wait until it dips down and then begins its way back up. But Dash is going to come back too. I can sit here and show you you know, all the charts and everything, but until it starts making its move up, a lot of the Elliott waves and with the Fibonacci, things like that, the harmonics, it doesn't really do you much good. I mean, you can try and guess what it's going to do, but until it starts its first leg, you know, maybe jumping into its second leg, it's really hard to calculate exactly what it's going to do. But judging by this and looking how the way the markets are reacting right now, I would not buy in the Dash yet. I would wait until it drops. Let's see. You can see Dash is at $159.64 right now. I would definitely give it a little time before you get on Dash, because to be honest with you, I think it's going to drop some more. But the potential in Dash is huge, but it's very difficult to calculate where it might go until it starts making its move up, like I said. But this is definitely one to look at. You just need to be patient before you jump into this one. Okay, we're going to look at STEEM. This is the 2-week chart here, and for some reason doesn't make much sense, but STEEM is the highest one right now, the highest percentage up, and for some reason they're not letting you trade anything on STEEM. They're having some issues. I'm not sure what that's about. But look at this. Look at these jumps, and look at these highs, and look how far it's dropped. Let's get a little closer look here. It's just 4-day. Yeah, STEEM is we just had some gains on this one, but looks like it's retracing. I mean, it's definitely retracing. I don't believe that this one is going to continue back up. I think it's going to drop some more, simply because this never really passed this mark here. The third leg never got past the first leg, so this is going to continue retracing some, and it's going to pass the sell sign. So you're definitely going to wait to jump into STEEM, but you're going to have to go to Bittrex to be able to trade STEEM right now, because for some reason POLONIEX is down, and I'm not sure what that's about. STEEM is trading at $1.55 right now, so yeah, you definitely want to wait and wait till it passes the sell sign and begins to make its turn back up. You have to be patient with, you know, STEEM is still kind of up there just a little bit. There's a huge drop that that happened, and they had a little jump this morning, but I would definitely wait to see what this is going to do, simply because in the market you want to be careful about what you jump into right now. Now the ones that are really low that you're looking at, absolutely. Okay, next we're going to look at DOGECOIN. This is one that you may definitely want to think about getting into, but I would wait. I wouldn't jump in right now. But look at this. Look at this drop. Look at the drop here. If you jumped in here, you'd have made some huge gains off of this. You know, this is one of those times that if you're not sitting right at the computer at the spur of the moment when this happens, you know, you're going to miss it. But not all of us can sit and watch these things all day. It's very difficult, very time consuming. But I would give DOGECOIN some more time. I wouldn't get in just yet. I believe it's still on its decline, but it's going to make the turn upwards, and you can see, you know, just by looking at the gains and everything, it's slowly making its way down, and now it's on a sharp decline compared to what it was, and it's the lowest it's been in over a month, as you can see. You can see DOGECOIN is trading at roughly about 1/4 penny. So yeah, I mean, $10 into this one, when it jumps back up, you're gonna see some nice gains. You know, drop $100, whatever, into it. But I would wait. Now is not the time. Just keep an eye on it until it starts making its turn back up. Okay, Burst Coin. Look at the drop on this one. This is a 2-week chart with this. Oh, here's the 2-week. Look at the drop in this one. If you jumped in down here, you're in great shape, especially if you sold up in here. But if you're still sitting on it, you know, wait. If not, let's take a little closer look. It's getting ready to pass the sell sign, you can see on the jump right here, I don't think we're going to see another leg on this one right now. I believe it's going to retrace back down even further. So I would definitely wait before jumping into this one, because you can see that really the third leg right here really didn't get past that first leg. So you're not really going to see anything out, any more out of this. If you sold at the top up here, you did. That's all well and good. That's great. But if you're looking to get into something, this is one of the 10 that I would definitely get into. Just wait until it drops some more, because it is going to drop some more. But it's going to come back up. This one's got a serious track record. I mean, look at this. This is a 2-week chart. So this is only a few days ago. Look at the jump on that, and then the decline. My goodness. So yeah, some serious potential now. And as you can see, Burst is trading at roughly about 1.5, 1.6 pennies. So yeah, give it a little more time. Give it a little more time. Library credits. This is definitely one you want to get into. This one has really had some good activity, and look how low it is. Look how it's going. I would give it some more time. It's still on its way down, but as soon as it starts to make its turn up, I think this one's close to going back up. And library credits seems to be one of those that does better than the others. When the others are going down, a lot of times library credits is one of those that's going up. But this company's got some serious potential. I actually did a video on this yesterday, so you can go back and see who they are if you want to check that out. As you can see, library credits is trading at about 48 cents. So yeah, give us some more time on this one, but this one's got huge potential. Absolutely. Definitely one you want to look to get into. Okay, FOLDINGCOIN. FOLDINGCOIN passed a buy sign this morning. If you can catch it on the retrace, I believe that this is actually, let me switch over. I believe that this is actually the first leg right here. We could see a little bit more. It just depends on how much it retraces. But I would keep an eye on this, because it's retracing now, and wait till it starts to make its upturn. Jump in right there. I think we're about to see the third leg of this one begin. And when it does, normally, as a rule, you see roughly about 160% of this line right here, this run. So keep an eye on the retracement. This one's going up. It's going to continue going up. So keep an eye on it and jump in at the right time, guys. You're going to see some good gains on this one today. FOLDINGCOIN's trading at a little over 2 cents, about 2.6 pennies. So yeah, I mean, $10 will get you a lot of shares on this one, and it's on its way up. So keep an eye on the retracement. GNOSIS coin, or GNOSIS coin, however you want to say it. This coin is way down, and this one's going to go back up. This has got some serious potential. Look how low it is, man! At an all-time low for the past month. And this company is not going to go by the wayside. They're going to continue to prosper. So man, look at this. You might want to give them a little more time, just to see how low it goes. I think we're pretty much at the lowest point. I believe that we're going to see an upturn here sometime today, maybe into this evening. But guys, jump into this one. This one's going to pay off. This one's going to pay off. I'm in this one also. I actually bought a few days ago when I put out the video. I bought and I stayed in it. The Lord gave me this one. I wasn't even thinking about this coin. I hadn't talked about this coin in a while. And, I just prayed on that. Asked the Lord, which coin would you say for me to get into? And it just popped in my mind. And this is the one. So I put some money into it, and I'm still in it. But I know that we're going to see some huge gains in this. I just know that I know. So check this one out, guys. It's going to be big. GNOSIS is trading at $176.61. All right, guys, I'm out of time. You guys be blessed, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.